I think that the toolkit that Harris provides you is really crucial because those are the kind of skills that are going to help you excel in your career and to contribute to social impact in the end.
My two favorite courses were one, a program evaluation, which really provided a great set of tools for evaluating policy from a statistical standpoint. And then my other favorite course was microeconomics.
I think about the depth of statistical knowledge that I was imparted.
Policy analysis,
data analysis,
microeconomics, statistics,
the public policy exposure that we received there,
econometric courses,
and policy evaluation, program evaluation, data analysis.
Courses that have a practical component to them where you actually sit down and run a little project by yourself.
Having the opportunity to interface with stakeholders during my time at Harris has been invaluable.
One of the most important tools in the Harris Toolkit is being able to recognize what it means to incorporate data within a policy framework.
Some of the skills that Harris really gave me are how to think about the biases in the data critically, for example, or the fact that you don't have to have a right solution to every problem, but the kind of problem that you're working on is more important than anything else.
Harris not only prepares you to dig into the numbers, it also prepares you to communicate complex messages to people who may not understand the numbers.
And I think having this kind of toolkit really puts you at the forefront, especially at this intersection of data science and public policy, which is still a very evolving field. And I think Harris School is doing a great job at making sure that people have all the kinds of skills they need in order to be successful in this field.